Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic is exercise 1.6, CQ number 1 and 2. Dear students, this is lesson number 10 and HW number 7. Okay, dear students, let us start our today's class. Today we will solve CQ number 2 and CQ 1 will be your SW. Okay, so and now we will solve CQ 2. Here the question is the weight of a bucket full of water is 16 integer 1 by 2 kg. If 1 by 4 of the bucket contains water weighing 5 integer 1 by 4 kg, a number question, convert the weight of the bucket full of water into improper fraction. Here the weight of the bucket full of water is 16 integer 1 by 2 and we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. A number here weight of the bucket full of water is equal to weight of the bucket full of water is equal to 16 integer 1 by 2 kg. This is equal to, we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and in this case denominators will be same and numerator will be change. And for getting numerator, at first we have to multiply this integer part with denominators, then we have to add this numerator with the product. Now 16 to 32 and 32 plus 1, this is equal to 33. This is the required improper fraction and it will be the answer of A number. Okay, dear students, now we'll solve B number. Here question of B number is, what is the portion of the bucket is empty? Dear students, if we consider whole part of the bucket is one portion and 1 by 4 part of the bucket contains water, so empty bucket will be 1 minus 1 by 4 part. Here part of the bucket is equal to 1 part. And this whole part contains, and it contains, the bucket contains 1 by 4 of the 1 by 4 part 1 by 4 part of the bucket contains water. One by 4 part of the bucket contains water. Therefore empty part of the bucket is equal to empty part of the bucket is equal to whole part is 1 and water contains in 1 by 4 part, so 1 minus 1 by 4 part. Here denominators 1 and here denominators 4, so LCM will be 4, and if we divide 4 by 1 it will be 4, 4 multiplication 1 equal to 4, minus if we divide 4 by 4 then it will be 1 and 1 multiplication 1 equal to 1 part. This is equal to 3 by 4 part and it will be the answer. By 4 part. Dear students, we have solved A number and B number. Now we'll solve C number. And question is, determine the weight of the empty bucket. You have to determine the weight of the empty bucket. Here given that the weight of a bucket full of water is 16 integer 1 by 2 kg. From this sentence we can write weight of bucket plus weight of the water of 1 part. That means whole part's water equal to 16 integer 1 by 2 kg. And another sentence given, if 1 by 4 of the bucket contains water weighing 5 integer 1 by 4 kg. From this sentence we can write weight of the bucket plus weight of the water of 1 by 4 part. Weight of the water of 1 by 4 part of bucket equal to 5 integer 1 by 4 kg. C number, here weight of the bucket plus weight of the water of one or whole part of bucket equal to 16 integer 1 by 4 kg. Again, and weight of the bucket plus weight of the water of 1 by 4 part of bucket. This is equal to 5 integer 1 by 4 kg. Integer 1 by 4 kg. Now we'll subtract weight of the bucket minus weight of the bucket we can remove. Then here weight of the water of 1 part of bucket and here weight of the water of 1 by 4 part of the bucket. If we subtract, then it will be weight of the water of 1 minus 1 by 4 part of bucket. Therefore weight of the water of 1 minus 1 by 4 part of bucket, this is equal to 16 integer 1 by 4 minus 5 integer 1 by 4 kg. 16 integer 1 by 4 minus 5 integer 1 by 4 kg. And now if we convert it into, sorry dear students, it's 6 integer 1 by 2 kg. 6 integer 1 by 2. And if we convert it into improper fraction, then it will be 33 by 2 minus here 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 equal to 21, 21 by 4 kg equal to, here LCM will be 4. Now if we divide 4 by 2, then it will be 2, and 2 multiplication 33, this is equal to 66. 66 minus, if we divide 4 by 4, then it will be 1, and 1 multiplication 21 equal to 21 kg equal to 6 minus 1 equal to 5, and 6 minus 2, this is equal to 4, that means 45 by 4 kg. Now it will be, therefore weight of the water of, if we subtract 1 by 4 from 1, then it will be 3 by 4. You can use rough for finding out it. LCM will be 4, and 4 minus 1, this is equal to 3 by 4. So instead of 1 minus 1 by 4, we can write 3 by 4 part of the bucket. 3 by 4 part of bucket equal to 45 by 4 kg. Now therefore weight of the water of one or whole part of bucket equal to, therefore weight of the water of one or whole part of bucket, this is equal to 45 by 4, and we will divide 45 by 4 by 3 by 4, then we will give here multiplication sign, and we will write the reverse fraction of 3 by 4. That means we will write this denominator as numerator 4 by, and this numerator as denominators. Reciprocal fraction we have written. Reciprocal fraction of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3 kg. Now we can cut these 4 and 4, and if we cut 45 by 3, then it will be 3 15s are 45 equal to 15 kg. Dear students, we have to find out the weight of empty bucket. Here weight of the bucket plus weight of the water of one part of bucket equal to 16 integer 1 by 2 kg, and here 15 kg is only the weight of the full bucket. So if we subtract this 15 kg from 16 integer 1 by 2 kg, then we can get the weight of empty bucket. Therefore weight of the empty bucket, equal to 16 integer 1 by 2 minus 15 kg. This is equal to 33 by 2 minus 15 kg. This is equal to 233 minus 15 to 30 kg. This is equal to 3 by 2 kg, and 3 by 2 kg means 1 integer 1 by 2 kg. So answer will be 1 integer 1 by 2 kg. Answer 1 integer 1 by 2 kg. Dear students, we have finished our today's CWO. I think you have understood today's class. You have to practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you today's SW. Dear students, our today's SW number is 7 number SW, and topic of the today's SW is exercise 1.6 CQ. It will be 1 number CQ. Dear students, we have solved CQ2, and CQ1 will be your SW. CQ1 is your SW. Now you see the question of CQ1. Here I have written the question of CQ1. The question is 0.15 part of the total length of a bamboo is in mud. 0.65 part in water. Is in water. It will be is in water. If the length of the bamboo above water is 4 meter, then A number question, what is the portion of the bamboo above water? B number question, what is the total length of the bamboo? C number question, if 0.25 part is red colored, what is the length of the bamboo is not red colored? Okay dear the students, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.